Before we continue, I wanted to stress one quick thing is that it's nice that they gave us this cool 12 volt motor here, which is nice and big, and it's probably better than what you get like on an Exceed RC or a Red Cat Racing vehicle. Of course, this is not about going really fast or anything like that. It just needs to turn the screw nicely and evenly, but there's a lot of machines that cost like over $600 that don't have a nice motor like this, so such a nice thing to have. Alright, so let's move back on to continuing with the project, and what we're going to need is to get, as I stated before, all these parts here, and also we're going to need some more spacers and this part here as well. Here we go. Alright, see you in the next bit.